For eSIM service module, if you want to buy your data package, just select your plan type and your country from here, and then just hit on search. So here you will have all the filter such as price range, data amount, and if you select from these particular fields categories, based on that your search will appear accordingly. And now if you want to buy this particular package, just buy now, give and put the mandatory fields, fill up them, and the mobile number as well, because that's the important thing for your eSIM as well. And then just click on next, select your payment option from your account balance, just select and check these two fields and pay. As you can see, the booking has been successfully created. Your booking summary, your package summary, you have bought this package, and that is it for our eSIM service module.